Welcome back to my video. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate a total amount using formula in Excel, and then use autofill feature handler in Excel to populate it across all columns. Now let's head over to Excel. Now, this is my Excel. I hope it's visible enough. So let's assume I want to calculate the taxable amount. First of all, I need you to know something. You can see these working hours are not fully shown. Instead of coming here and expanding it yourself, how about you come here, click there, then double click on either of these column over there. Sorry about that. In between here. And you can see each of them has adjusted properly. All right, now that we've done that, the taxable amount, let's say we want to calculate the taxable amount of John, which is, let's say we are going to be doing 6 times 4. All right. Now, instead of coming here to write 6 times 4, write whatever amount or whatever number we feel like is the answer. How about we use a formula? All right. We do equals to. So for the 6 is B2, B2, B2. And for this 4 is C2 as well. So we do our asterisks, we do our C2. That's the answer. Then we click enter and it has been calculated. Now, instead of coming here to do the same formula over and over again, that is where the autofill handler feature comes in. Click there, keep your cursor right under this particular cell. You will see that it changes to thick black. Now drag it down here, and it has just handled every single thing for you. So this is how to use the autofill handler in Excel to do proper data analysis. All right. So see you in my next video. Thank you.